night every night during dinner, slip one pill into her drink, and then she'll have sex with you after dinner. And he's like, all right. So the first night he puts a pill in,
Alright.
and they have sex for 2 hours, and then the second night he puts in two pills, and they have sex for 4 hours, and then the next night he puts all the pills in. And
Oh my god.
so the next day, Santa Claus comes by to see what's going on, and so he knocks on the door, and the son answers, and he goes, "Hey, I gave your dad some pills, and I want to know how it's going." He goes, "Oh well, my mom's dead. My butt hurts. My sister's pregnant, and my dad's up in the attic saying, 'Here, kitty, kitty, kitty.'" Stop.
How do you have a legal version? I don't know why it keeps.
I did it again.
Good.
I don't know why it keeps.
I did it again.
Craig's missing out.
I know.
I think I've had enough.